Good morning, my lovely friends from Aqaba, Jordan. It's my last day here in Jordan. Unfortunately, I'm flying today back to Germany, and I have like 2.5 hours left here in this beautiful city of Jordan, of Aqaba. And I would like to give you some impressions of this beautiful city during the daytime. In one of my last videos, or in my recent videos, I showed you some impressions of Aqaba by night, and now let's see how Aqaba is during the day.
Welcome.
Selamun alaikum.
Taxi?
No, shukran, habibi. So yeah, I basically would like to take you on a small walk through Aqaba. Maybe go to the fortress, to the beach area of Aqaba, go to the main mosque, maybe have some kind of lunch because we have a 5-hour flight later, and Ryanair unfortunately doesn't offer any food or any drinks, so we have to be prepared for this flight, guys. So here is the bus station, and this way practically leads to the beachfront. So here is basically the city center of Aqaba. You can see a lot of shops where you can buy stuff. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
So guys, unfortunately Aqaba is a really good place for scuba diving and snorkeling, since it's directly located at the Dead Sea, where you have a lot of coral reefs and a lot of variety of fishes. And but unfortunately I don't have enough time to do that, since my flight is in 2 hours. So here's like a small market. I mean, the people ask, or like women with small babies ask in the streets for money. I don't know, maybe it's some kind of hard life here if you don't have a job. And to be honest, I also don't know how the economy here in Jordan is. Shukran habibi. Since they're pretty much dependent, for example, on Saudi Arabia when it comes to petrol. A lot of the country is just desertish, so you have a lot of desert. There is not so much agriculture in this country, so they have to import a lot of the food and vegetables and fruits. That means, I've spoken to some Jordanians, and the biggest sector is pretty much tourism. And so they're really dependent on tourism, and other sectors are not that well developed, to be honest. And since the tourism sector is like the biggest sector and the biggest income stream for the Jordanian government, the Jordanian country, Jordan, they treat tourists really well. So if you have any problems or so, they definitely want to solve the problems. They don't want to get into any bad situations with tourists, because the police, it's not like in other countries where the police doesn't give a shit. Like, for example, in some South American countries, they really care about the tourists here. Assalamu alaikum. So they really care about the tourists, and it's important for them that the tourists have a nice experience in the country. They enjoy their stay, and they give a good reputation to Jordan and the world, that the country can attract more and more tourists. The weather right now, it's almost 25 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile in Germany we have 0 degrees or -1 degree Celsius. So in a couple of hours I won't have the beach and the water and the sun. Instead, maybe snow, maybe rain, maybe freezing cold weather. Here guys, you see the motorboard. So here in Aqaba you can do a lot of water sports, snorkeling, jet skiing, scuba diving, probably also windsurfing or kite surfing on a windy day. Guys, the weather is really beautiful today. Can you imagine? A couple of hours, deepest winter in Germany, and the forecasts say in not next week, the week after that, we'll be having maybe approximately -20 degrees. So the deepest winter. Let's hope that it not will be like that. Assalamu alaikum. Let's go through this metal gate. Yo guys, we made it to the big Jordan flag, as you can see here. And next to it, there is the fortress of Aqaba. Or let's say the castle. Let's see whether it's open today. Yes, okay guys, we are lucky today. The fortress is open. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
So guys, now we are in the fortress of Aqaba. It's a pretty small fortress, to be honest, but let's have a look. The pretty good thing is, I mean, you don't have to pay an entrance fee, so no tickets. Okay, this is like a storage room. So from here you have a pretty nice view. Some dark rooms here. It's also, let's see what here is. Okay, it's pretty dark. Let's see if we can make some light.
Oh.
Whoa! Whoa!
No problem, no problem.
Okay.
Down.
Okay. You scared me.
Wow.
Whoa. Alright guys. Whoa. I don't know whether you could see it, but I mean it was completely dark. But there was this guy just hiding like in this darkness, and you couldn't see anything, and I wanted to go down the stairs and he was just standing there, and I was like, whoa, what the fuck is going on here? Wow. Okay. So yeah. They're doing some maintenance over there. Nice. Assalamu alaikum. Let's see what is here. It looks like some kind of praying room. Selamun Aleyküm. Some kind of viewpoint we can go later to. Hope that nobody's here. Hey man.
Hey.
Yeah, it's a pretty small fortress, to be honest. So alright, that was it basically, guys. This small nasty motherfucker, he's probably just chilling there the whole day and scaring people, scaring the shit out of people every day, and maybe he's also making fun of it. Assalamu alaikum. Okay guys, that was a quick tour in Aqaba Fortress. It's getting a little bit dark here. Okay, here's nothing. So also nothing. That was it, guys. Quick tour in the Aqaba Fortress, Aqaba Castle. So beware of this motherfucker if you come here. Don't let you fool yourself or scare yourself. Wow, it's really, really warm today. Maybe it was a wrong decision to wear these joggers. Okay guys, back in the city. Let's see where we're heading now, since we don't have so much time left until we need to go to the airport.